Yo, it's 1:17 a.m. Your laptop sounds like a jet engine. Coffee? Ah, that became cold long back. Confidence? Dude, come on. I'm already feeling shaky. And your file that is named final do not delete fixed final underscore really.java? Yeah, that one. You promised you would never go there. Yet, here you are. The group chat, is it silent? Everyone else is dreaming of balanced binary trees. Meanwhile, you are battling a bug that won't die and somehow summoned a demon while sorting a linked list. You laugh, you cry, you Google it again, and this is a never ending recursion. We have all been there. The 1 a.m. breakdowns, the mysterious git errors, the did I just delete my whole repo panic? We get it because we lived it. That's why I'm going to build this. A version control course made for us, the late night warriors. No boring theory, no corporate blah blah, just the real stuff. Commits, branches, merge conflicts, stash, rebase. The things that actually save you at 1:17 a.m. So, take a breath, refill that coffee, and get ready because next time the code crashes, you won't. This is not another boring lecture, not a 3-hour playlist that you'll never finish. This is a raw, real journey through Get, one step at a time. Think of it like a late night call that you have received from your friend who has been through it and knows how to help you to win. Each episode, one concept, one story, one strategy to level you up. We will laugh, we will cry, we will probably seek fault, but we'll definitely make it. So, if you are ever felt stuck, stupid, or just tired, welcome home. Episode 1 starts now. Let's decode the madness together.